अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू आर्टिसन टेक। मैं आपका टेक मास्टर पाशा इरफान। क्या हाल चाल है आपके? ठीक ठाक हैं?
Apple released iOS 17 Beta 4 today too. Developers iOS 17 Beta 4 is out to developers, and I would expect iOS 17 Public Beta 2 in a day or so. Now it's available on all the supported devices, from the iPhone Xs all the way up to the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, and along with this, Apple also released iPad OS 17 Beta 4, watchOS 10 Beta 4, Mac OS 14 Beta 4, TV OS, and HomePod OS 17 Beta 4, as well as Vision OS Beta 2 and Studio Display 17 Beta 4. Now this particular update was not huge. It was 1.34 gigabytes, that's on the 14 Pro Max, and was about a gigabyte or so on the other devices. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the build number and talk about what's new. So we'll go to settings, then we'll go down to general, then about, and if we tap on the version number, you can see the build number of 21A5291 hours. As we get closer to a final release, typically that letter will get closer to the letter, and then we'll have a release candidate and the final version. And this update has quite a few things to talk about. The first thing is there is a new modem update. So if you're updating from Beta 3 re-release or the public Beta 2, you should have a modem update, and hopefully that helps with overall connectivity, and iOS 17 in general has just been okay. Hopefully this resolves some of that, but it'll take a few days to know that. As far as new features, there's quite a few new ones. The first one has to do with AirDrop. If we go into settings and then we go to general and then AirDrop, under AirDrop we have a new option for bringing devices together. We can disable this now, where we AirDrop just by bringing our devices close together. I think it's really nice, but if you want to turn it off, you can, and it says easily swap numbers with name, drop, share photos and more by holding the top of your iPhone close to another, and by air dropping from one device to another by just touching the top of them together. You can quickly send a photo or anything else, and it will show up on the other device. You can disable this now if you want to within settings. If we go down to standby at the bottom, there's a new option for show preview on tap only. Standby can hide the previews of a notification until you tap on it. So if we have that enabled, and then if we put it on maybe a dock here, so we can do standby, we'll just turn the screen off. Have it go into standby mode. Once we're in standby, if we get a